Hello, this is a group order unboxing for the Nature Republic items and PCs. K-Town for you did an event where you ordered X amount of items and you got NCT PCs that were exclusive to Nature Republic or something like that. I can't remember exactly. But yes, they are all in here. If I remember correctly, the items, like the skincare items, are all the same because they sold out really quickly, and I was trying to do like a test run to see how much they would be, and I put all of the same thing in my cart, and yep, so I think it's like 40 chamomile face masks. I don't know why there's a fragile sticker on this, because I've had some more fragile items come in from K-Town and not have this sticker. Okay, that should be good. Right. Okay, let me take... Oh, I did not expect it to look like this. There's a stack. I think this is a box of the face masks and these are the PCs. Perhaps I will take everything out, bring you in closer. So we have this stack and this stack. I actually don't know which is which. Let's start with the smaller. Actually, we'll start with the bigger one because that's what I think is the sheet masks. Okay, we shall open this. Oh, I think it says, yeah, it says on the box, this is the face masks. Yay! Okay, should be 40 chamomile ones and 45. Yep, they're all chamomile. But yes, this is what it looks like on the front. And the back. Yep. So yes, that is the PCs. I mean the masks. And then we will move on to unbox the PCs. Now, there was a bit of confusion with the PCs because they weren't very clear as to like how many PCs you would get and if it was limited to 3, and if you got more than that, like would it be evenly distributed? So I'm quite nervous. There seems to be like 2 packs. One is flat and one is more boxy looking. Thanks for the bubble wrap, K-Town. I really appreciate that. Okay. Ooh. Oh, more masks. Okay. There was 40 in that and there's 5 here. Okay, I'll put this back. I'll put this with those. So that was the flat one. So the boxy one is what I'm assuming to be the PCs. Ooh. These PCs went for really crazy amounts on Mercari apparently. I'm not a frequent user of Mercari, so I wasn't too sure, but from what I heard from people, these PCs were very, 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 very expensive. Hokey pokey. Oh. I don't know why I'm being so delicate with it. Okay, so it looks like the backs of them, or it's either the backs of them have group cards on it, or there's an extra group card. No! Oh my gosh. Ah, okay, so they didn't give me even amounts. They gave me the right amount of this, more of this, and less of this. Okay, that is not very fun, but it's okay. But it's not extremely bad, which is good. Like, giving me like one of one set and then like 30 of the other. That would have been really bad. But oh, breaking the seal on the back. That is scary. Okay. Let me... Oh, okay. I think the backs are group PCs. Like a group photo. Okay. So this is the full set. We have Johnny. The backs are all the same. I'll show you that once. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. No. Okay, that's Johnny's. Hichan. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Mark. Oh, the like blush is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Tail. Oh, he's so cute. Ooh. Daeyoung. Oh my gosh, I'm not ready for Yuta's. Yuta's is so cute. Jaehyun. Wow, he's so cute. Taeyong. Jungwoo. Oh my gosh. The last one, no. Yuta. No, why is he the cutest? No, he's so adorable. Look at him and the little cat. That one is so cute. But yes, that is all for this Nature Republic unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you later.